Hello, I'm going to take a quick look at Doge today. As you can see, the chart looks silly. So we're going to raise it by a power of 10, and that fixes any Poloniex chart that is of a value under 100 Satoshis. So this 370 is actually 37. So the point today was I've been seeing people post about a 8-month cycle on Doge on the internet, and thus we'll take a look and see that there is a lot of congruent spacing in the market. And then the next one comes in here at the end of August. So chances are we're making this kind of move in here right now. Perhaps. Ways that we can try and see if this is true is our MACD and Stoch RSI. Our MACD crosses the 0 here, crosses 0 and up here, crosses 0 and up here, and right now it's still below 0, so we're waiting. So that little area here, so we perhaps could expect something like that. Now the Stoch RSI, see as this crosses up, it is preceded by the Stoch RSI hitting overbought. So crosses up here, but at the same time it gets overbought. Same kind of thing down here. Now our Stoch RSI here, which is a bit faster of a momentum indicator than the MACD is moving towards oversold. So moving to overbought. That comes here, that happens here again. Perhaps this is happening again, and that could be the start of this. In which case you would definitely want to be waiting to watching to see if this does hit overbought and if the MACD does start to rise up, because you're definitely going to want to be averaging into a position if you aren't already buying and basically front running the market. I mean, sure, it could come back down to 22 and make a bottom with the old lows and move up. Anything is possible. We're just looking at this from a strictly cycle theory point of view, and I see why people have mentioned it. I think it's fairly valid, and I think that the patterns that we're seeing throughout the chart are also telling us that this is a strong probability that we could see that occurring again. So this is definitely on my radar for all these fractal cycle kind of reasons, and also, if we were to just look at it from a general TEA technical analysis point of view, then we're seeing our momentum indicators move in the same way as they have done historically. And what else do we got going on here? We have a confirmed reversal on the 1 day if it holds. So what's this down here? 35. So if the price can find a floor at 35, this reversal, basically the energy and momentum created from this buying here stays valid, and then we should see, I don't know, I guess something like this. How far it goes? Well, it's gonna aim for this area first, the mid 40s, and then it's gonna aim for this area next, the mid 60s. We're going to assume that that's the bottom. And then our upper fib areas are up here near 100. But I'm not going to get ahead of myself on what levels it could go to before the bottom's in, so that we can then look at the horizontal levels that it needs to hit on the way up. But for now, I think definitely worth watching, and keep an eye on it. Have a good day.